world of work is rapidly changing. Organizational, technological and societal trends have been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, workforce management is becoming more challenging. A significant challenge that we see in many of our clients is how to deal with talent management and talent attraction strategies. In this Capgemini event talks, Tim Janis and I are going to discuss the future of talent management, talent marketplaces. So, Timothy, what do you see as the driving need for organizations to rethink their approach to talent management?
Yeah, that's a really good question. In addition to the factors that you already talked about the changing environmental factors, what we see is that traditionally organizations have recruited people with specific experience and specific skills for specific roles. The trouble with that approach is that skills and experiences change over time, and what we see evolving is that there are serious skills mismatches and skills gaps that are opening up in the market. What the talent marketplace is a talent marketplace is a relatively new development that enables organizations to manage their talent more confidently.
Okay, so it's clear that organizations need a new approach to talent management. And so this talent marketplace, what exactly is that?
Yeah, a talent marketplace is, first and foremost, it's a technology-driven platform that typically is going to accomplish four things. First, it enables organizations and their employees to identify skills and identify skills gaps. It typically will have matching functions that allows employees to match their skills and their experience to new roles or within the organization. It also offers organizations insight into the skills that their employees have, oftentimes discovering untapped resources within the organization. Of course, saving them the time and energy of having to go out and recruit for those skills all over again.
Yeah.
We also see that the talent marketplace offers a number of really tangible benefits for both organizations and employees. From an organizational perspective, it creates a more agile workforce. It helps organizations to identify skills gaps and proactively address those skills gaps. And it also creates an environment where the organization becomes a talent for new, or a magnet, I should say, for new talent. For employees, the talent marketplace can increase their mobility within the organization. It can help them to discover their untapped talents and create new opportunities for them within the organization.
Thanks for that. And I understand that within Capgemini event, we really focus on four key capabilities of a talent marketplace. Can you maybe elaborate a bit on these four?
Yeah, we see the talent marketplace supporting four vital areas within organizational practice. Those areas are workforce planning. So the talent marketplace enables the organization to get a better view on the skills that they have and the skills that they don't have, and also gives them insights into the roles that they may need in the future. Secondly, the talent marketplace enables the organization to assess and proactively manage the skills in the organization. Third, the talent marketplace allows organizations and employees to more proactively engage in career management and talent management within the organization. And then finally, that matching functionality that I referred to earlier enables organizations to fill important roles in the organization with internal talent.
So basically, the talent marketplace appears to offer huge opportunities for organizations.
Yeah.
And you also mentioned that a talent marketplace is technology enabled. Mm-hmm. Could you maybe mention some of these leading talent marketplace technology providers?
Yeah, at Capgemini Invent, we have relationships with all of the leading talent marketplace providers. There are specialized firms that typically offer their own unique capabilities, but we see in the market, we see Gloat, Eightfold, Fuel 50, NeoBrain, 365 Talent, and others. Mm-hmm. We're also well acquainted with the leading HRIS systems, such as SuccessFactors, Oracle, Workday, that offer certain talent management capabilities as well.
And how do we work with clients that are interested in having a talent marketplace?
Yeah, we work with our clients in typically in one of two ways, or a combination of two ways. First, we can help our clients to identify who the right technology platform provider is for their unique circumstances. But a technology platform isn't enough to drive the change that you need towards becoming a more skills-powered organization. So where our real value is in working and collaborating with our clients to push the cultural, organizational, and behavioral change that's needed to become a skills-powered organization.
Thank you so much, Tim. Hopefully this Capgemini Event Talks has raised your awareness about the talent marketplace and its full capabilities. For more information on any of these offers, please reach out to us or the Workforce Transformation team. Thanks for watching.